You don't want to give away your knowledge free because then people won't pay for it? Not so sure about that. Let's discuss. Well, welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers in mid to large-size law firms. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? I listened to a couple minutes, or at least what was being shared via social media, of Jay Baer's keynote at the Youpreneur Summit, hosted by Chris Ducker in the UK this past week and weekend. I might have to paraphrase this, but part of Jay's talk was that people are afraid to give away their knowledge or their best content because then people won't buy from them. And his comment to them was that just because people have the ingredients, that doesn't make them a chef. And I said to myself, you know what? That is so true, isn't it? Because just because people see all of the ingredients and all of the steps or all of the advice you have in how to handle a specific matter, and that doesn't mean every intricacy, but it does mean the top line and very valuable recommendations you have for how to handle a matter, or what, the seven steps to do X, Y, and Z are, or in my case, the 10 Twitter tips for lawyers, or the 6 ways to create your content strategy for the next 3 months. And just because people have those components via that free whatever it is you provided, it could be a blog post, a recording, an ebook, a podcast, video, whatever it might be, that doesn't mean that they're not going to use you for their service provider. Because there are a lot of people who are going to think down the road when they actually need help with that, you know what, I know he said that or she said that, but I have no idea how to implement that, or I don't have time to implement that on my own, or I don't want to take the risk. And this person is schooled and trained and educated in how to mitigate risk. So my message to you is, don't be afraid to give your knowledge away. Create something that you are on the verge of thinking, oh my gosh, this really makes me a little squeamish because I'm giving away too much of my knowledge. But if you don't give away your knowledge, then you're not proving to other people what it is you know how to do, which is to help them with their challenges. All right? Think about it. Think about what pieces of information, what processes you know so well that you can summarize them in several steps or in an ebook or however you like to write it or record it. And I want you to think about putting that down for your clients and prospects. All right? Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic, about giving your advice away for free. If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If not, you can always find me on my blog at Myrland Marketing, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. And that's also my email address is nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. Again, MYRLAND. Also, if you're connected to the legal profession, which most of you are, I invite you to join my Facebook group where we discuss marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media. And you can find that by searching Facebook for Social Media for Lawyers and Legal Marketers with Nancy Myrland. When you do, please let me know this is how you found out about the group. You and I always need to ask people how they found us, because that helps us to understand what to do or what not to do. Thank you so much for spending a few Legal Marketing Minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of those right here with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.